Sophia. I thought it to be a nice lady. A young one of my phone here. Then
Stop on maybe stop. Actually, maybe done.
I could go came when I lay on to go see you.
Someday won't be so. Can let them do so much. I'm more any other chick I do. Oh, I mean, you mark and Java local government. But then they want to have more. I mean, I can so now like what's going
Oh, continue. The princess.
Yes, sir.
They won.
There's Indians and also there's a kind of farm. I have Princess Ifem and Warren. Our Monyamba, no, Isialamba, no local government area. The Mona has a one of their car. Nem so yabia. Nem so one. Nandi iche ndi aina asopro kwa na ofesi aina ha so kwa bieba ndewo
No, sisi alukaro no ma ya alukaro no ma ahambo nze chukwu obinyike ojiwuro obodo one of ojiwuro obodo and English UK yeah. I'm a lawyer by profession. I'm Dr. Uche Anyam. I'm PDP. I'm Deputy State Organizing Secretary of the party. Imo State, yes. Imo State. The Director General of PDP, foreign chapters, the diaspora, they are saying a lot of more. Our Panamo, only Issa Lambano, Ebana, Ugiri, Ibem. I is one. Thank you.